Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will show you LinkedIn new feature that is called AI powered takeaways and advice on LinkedIn. AI powered takeaways and advice on LinkedIn are a set of features that user generative AI to provide members with personalized advice and insight to help you stay informed, grow your skill, and land the right job more easily and efficiently. But keep in mind this feature is currently available in English and only in USA, and you will see this feature on some post on feed and some job posting. AI powered takeaways and advice on LinkedIn consist on two parts. One part is LinkedIn feeds and other part is job posting. On LinkedIn feed, this feature helps you by providing personalized takeaways and suggestions related to the post you are viewing. Let's take one example, and now you can see that this is a post, and now you can see that. And here you can see some suggestions, and now you can see that. And now some suggestions of what is SunGuard known for, and you just click here and AI will provide you, and now you can see that. And if you click on how does the SunGuard heat blocked umbrella work, and you just need to click here and it will provide you an answer. It means this feature help you by providing personalized takeaways and suggestions related to the post you are viewing. Now you can see that. If you want to see more posts, and now you can see that. How can I benefit from portable perfume? You just need to click here and AI will provide you some suggestions, some advice related to this post. And now you can see that. And if you want more suggestion how to choose eco-friendly perfume, benefit of eco-friendly products, and now you can see that more questions are available. It will also provide you some products, and now you can see that. An article, you just need to click here, you can see these articles. Other part of AI powered takeaway is on a job posting. AI powered advice will help you learn more about a job or a company, understand your fit role, and how to best position yourself if you are applying. Let's take example so you totally understand. For example, you are searching lead generation job, and here country you are selected here the United States. You can select all these things according to your requirement, and different more filters are available. You can use all these filters according to your requirement, like experience level, salary, company, remote job, easy, and different more filters are available. You can use all these filters according to your requirement. And now when you this scroll down this page, and now you can see that different suggestions are available. Am I a good fit for this job? And now you can see that you can check all these things according to your requirement. For example, I need to check I am best fit for this job or not. I just need to click here and AI will provide me I am fit or not. And now you can see that my job description look like good, but I need to add here some experience of Google Ads in my LinkedIn profile and social media campaign manager in my LinkedIn description. Then this will be a good profile for this job. And if you want to add more things, you can add here, and different more questions are available. Like you can see that how can I best position myself for this job? Tell me more about this company. This company is Seek, and you just need to click here and AI will provide you more things about this company. And now you can see that it's working now, and now you can founded in 2018, and now you can see that focus on helping HVAC and plumbing electrical company owners, and now you can see that. And it also provides your company page. So AI powered advice will help you learn more about a company or a job, understanding you're fit for a role or not, or how to best position yourself if you are applying. So hope you understand the new feature of AI powered takeaway and advice on LinkedIn. And if you have a more question related to this, then I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.